Hey crafty friends, it's Alyssa with Crafting to Cope, and I'm on today with a fun share. So one of my subbies, Karen Thomas, reached out and asked if she could send me a package. She actually has a beadable items store, and so she asked if she could send me a package. I have beads everywhere on my desk. And if I would share it with all of you and create with it. And I looked at her site and I was like, well, of course. So she sent this adorable little box with this cute paper in it. And on the front, like the sticker says, warning, opening this package will result in extreme joy. I have no doubt after looking at her website that is what's going to happen here. So she sells all kinds of fun things on her site. I'm going to link it down below. But she has large hold beads, beadable item kits, all kinds of beadable items. And so she sent this package. She said she put it together just for me. And then she also shared a code that I can share with all of you. And so it's crafty 10. If you put that in, you get $10 off a $50 purchase. So I am going to link her site down below and then put that code down below as well. If you happen to hear a little meowing, I have a new friend in my family and he is following me everywhere. So I got a new kitty cat. As you know, I have an older cat. I have a 16-year-old cat, Cheeto, and he is part Maine Coon. And my son really wanted a kitten, and I was like, oh, not a problem. So we got another kitty, and he's right here by my feet, so maybe I'll share him with you. As you know, my boys are obsessed with all things hockey. And so my son named him. Sorry, Karen, we're going to get to your beads, but this little guy's here to say hi. So this is my baby. And his name is Zamboni. So my son named him after hockey. And I don't think he's going to show you his adorable little face, but he's such a fun little guy. Maybe you'll see him. Hey, look up here. Say hi. Nope, we're not going to clean ourselves on video. Maybe another time he'll be a little more photogenic. But let's get back to Karen. So, but if you hear him meowing, it's because I'm not paying any attention to him at the moment. But he is such a sweetheart. Okay, so it came in this beautiful container. And then on the cover here, she put her card. And inside it says, I'm so excited to share this kit with you. I created it to be fun, easy, and full of creative possibilities. Thank you so much for collabing with me. Beat up, Karen. And so this is Karen's card. It's Beadable Art Projects. And then here is her contact information. So she does have a website and an Etsy and then an email address as well. And I'm going to link it all down below. But look at this fun kit she sent. It comes in this beautiful box. And oh my goodness. First, let's see what she sent for us to bead. So she sent a beautiful makeup brush. This cat is going to come back up here, you guys. Cheeto is not, he doesn't go up on tables or furniture, never has. This guy's a whole different ball game. So I have a feeling he's gonna make his appearance in many of videos, and he's probably gonna knock everything over here in my craft room, but that's okay. I'm trying to get this bag open, and I think the cat likes this. Oh, seriously. Well, we're just gonna let him be in the video for a minute. Maybe you could see his adorable face. He's just laying in the back of my desk. So she sent this beautiful brush. So look at this beautiful makeup brush. And it's wrapped up with this mesh, so I can bead this beautiful makeup brush. A gorgeous metal pen. I love the color. It's this beautiful blue. See, he's sitting right here. He's having a good old time hanging out on my desk with me. My little crafty buddy. All right. Cheeto usually sits by my feet. This guy likes to be in the action. So look at this gorgeous pen. It is nice and heavyweight. I love it. Do you like it too, buddy? And And then what is this? Oh my goodness. I'm going to need a scissors to get this one open. Look at this. It's beadable. I think it's for picking up ice. That is so fun. And a wine stopper. Oh my goodness, he sent so many fun things. I purchased some wine stoppers to bead. I haven't done it yet, but they are not this fancy. This is quite a fancy. Look at that beautiful wine stopper. Yeah, we're going to have Zamboni in our videos, apparently. And then look at this beautiful blue pen with the flowers. Do you like those too, buddy? So pretty. Oh, there's another one. Oh my goodness, look at how cute this is. It is a little heart-shaped shovel. And this would be perfect for like sequin mixes, and then has the little beadable area. So she sent all these fun, unique items for me to bead. I am so excited to do that. I don't know how we're going to do this with this kitty here, but we're going to try. I have a feeling he's going to go a little crazy when I put the beads out. And then she sent one of these beautiful butterfly, and look at how pretty this is, like how well it's going to match like the pen or even this beautiful pen. Oh my goodness. And then she sent all these little containers of beads, so we're gonna look at them together. So this is an acrylic bead with the blue and the green. Love that. And then look at this adorable. This one is, why can't I think of the word? Oh my goodness, the cat is throwing me off today. My brain, we'll blame the kitty. I'm all flustered because he's so handsome staring at me. Silicone beads. So there's some silicone beads, some cute little plastic beads, and then this fun bead here. So she sent all these beads so I could decorate each and every one of these pieces. So if you see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and then there are 6 fun jars of beads. So, oh my goodness, look at that. That is so pretty. I love that. I'm going to have to look at our site and buy more of these too. I'm going to probably be buying more of a lot of them. These pretty spacers. So I am going to create all of these, and then I'm going to come back and share it with you in a different video. But look at all of these gorgeous beads. And it is so hard to find big hole beads. Oh, look at this cute little butterfly. Oh my goodness. I am going to have just the best time creating these. And so she will put together kits. She has all these beads separate on her site. Look at these stunning glass beads. Look at that. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. You can buy individual beads, you can buy kits, you can buy beadable items. She has so many fun things. I was checking it out, and I'm definitely going to have to go and look at different things. So, oh my goodness, look at these charms. Look at that beautiful butterfly charm. And then look at that dragonfly. And then it has this little thing hanging off of it. Oh my goodness. And these ones, so you can put them at the end and have a dangle. And then what are these? Look at these. They're just like, you can replace, I think they're to replace these with, like, there's this shiny blue. That one and a pearl. Oh, I'm going to have to fiddle with those. I'm so excited. And I apologize. I really do think that this kitty cat is going to be in many of my videos. He's my little shadow. I think he's adjusting to life without mom and his siblings, which breaks my heart a little bit. Oh my goodness, I love that color. Look at how pretty. You have such stunning beads. Like, just look at how beautiful those are. And they all match so nicely. Oh my goodness. I am going to have some beautiful creations. So all these beautiful beads. And then this one has just a variety of spacers and bead caps, all and rhinestones, all of these to add in to finish off my projects. And I definitely think she sent way more beads than I could even finish these pieces with. So I can also dig out a few additional pieces and decorate them. So I'm going to create these pieces. Stay tuned because I'm going to come back with another video and share them all with you. And then just look at how she sent them. I could totally reuse all of these items again. And oh, thank you so much, Karen. I cannot wait to put all these together. And if you do like craft fairs or you're looking for more high-end beautiful gifts, go check out her site and you can make the most beautiful things. So I'm going to link everything down below for Karen Thomas, as well as her website, her Etsy page, her email, and that Crafty 10 coupon that you can use to get $10 off a $50 purchase. Karen, thank you so much for letting my new little buddy hijack this video. But I'm guessing he'll be in a few videos for a while till he maybe doesn't fit on my desk. But thank you everyone so much for stopping by. And thank you, Karen. Stay tuned. More to come. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.